Preparing for the CA Foundation exam in the last 10 days can be challenging, but with the right strategy and effective tips, you can make the most of your time. Here are some tips and tricks to help you prepare effectively. 1. Create a study schedule. Plan your remaining days and allocate specific time slots for each subject. Divide your time based on the weightage of each subject and your level of understanding. Be realistic and ensure you have breaks for rest and revision. 2. Focus on important topics. Identify the high-scoring topics for each subject. Prioritize these topics during your revision to maximize your chances of scoring well. Refer to the syllabus and previous year question papers to understand the pattern and important areas. 3. Revise from concise notes. Prepare concise and organized notes for quick revision. Highlight important formulas, definitions, and concepts. This will save you time during the last days and help you revise efficiently. 4. Solve mock tests and previous year papers. Practice mock tests and solve previous year papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and improve your speed and accuracy. Analyze your performance, identify weak areas, and work on them. 5. Time management during exams. Practice solving papers within the stipulated time frame. Divide your time based on the number of questions and allocate appropriate time for each section. This will help you manage time effectively during the actual exam. 6. Work on weak areas. Identify your weak subjects or topics and allocate more time to revise and practice them. Seek help from teachers, classmates, or online resources to clarify doubts and strengthen your understanding. 7. Take short breaks. While it's essential to devote most of your time to studying, taking short breaks is equally important to rejuvenate your mind. Engage in activities you enjoy, such as going for a walk, listening to music, or practicing a hobby. This will help you stay focused and motivated. 8. Stay healthy. Maintain a healthy lifestyle during the last days of your exam preparation. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and exercise regularly. Avoid excessive caffeine or junk food, as it can lead to a lack of concentration and fatigue. Thank you and all the best.